So using the AI that is available in Terabox, you can also easily go ahead and paraphrase out the content as you wish. For example, over here in Wikipedia, you can see that I have this text regarding computer science. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and select this out right here, copy it, and I want to paraphrase it out. In that case, I can go to Terabox now, and then you can see that Smart Paraphrase is an option. Once I go around over here, you can go ahead and paste out the text right here that you want to go ahead and paraphrase. You can see that 10,000 characters is the limit, and then with the free account, you get 3 times right here. So now if I were to go ahead and hit the send button, it'll actually go ahead and analyze out the text and will paraphrase it out for you. So you can see that it is loading right here, just like this. And then now you can see that computer science is the study of computation is now converted to the study of computation, information, and automation is known as computer science, and so forth. And it has paraphrased out the contents for me right here. It has rewritten out the content, and it simply goes ahead and highlights out the contents right here. And right here, just like this, the important words that it actually went ahead and maintained. You can go ahead right here and regenerate as well. You can copy it, or you can give a feedback to how this was generated. So if I were to click on regenerated right here, then what happens is that it'll take this text again and will generate it with a different flow of information right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and use the AI Smart Paraphrase option inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.